Welcome back to Spoken English Daily, where practicing English is calm, clear, and enjoyable. We're happy you're here today. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and welcome to all our listeners. It's great to have you with us. I'm Daniel. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good. It's nice to spend this time together. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm ready for another relaxed and useful episode.
Before we begin, we just want to say thank you for listening. If you enjoy this podcast, please share it with someone you know.
And don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. It really supports what we do.
It truly does. Today's topic is simple and very useful. We're going to talk about activities we enjoy.
That's a great topic. In English, people often ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?"
Yes, it's a very natural question when you meet someone new. So, what do you like to do?
That's a good question. I enjoy many things. For example, I like to draw.
Nice. To talk about preferences, you can say, I like to, and then the action. For example, I like to draw.
Exactly. I like to draw. You can also say, I like drawing. Both forms are correct.
Yes, both sound natural. What do you like to draw?
I like drawing landscapes and simple sketches. And you, do you like to draw?
I do sometimes. I like drawing in the evening while listening to music. It helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful. You can say, I like to draw, or I like drawing.
What about other activities? What else do you enjoy doing?
I really like riding my bicycle. Being outside feels refreshing.
That's a great activity. So you can say, I like to ride my bike. Do you ride often?
I try to ride a few times a week. It gives me energy.
That's wonderful. Feeling energized is important.
We can also use another word instead of like. We can say enjoy. For example, I enjoy riding my bike.
Yes, enjoy is a strong word. It shows you feel positive about the activity.
Exactly. With enjoy, we usually add ing. For example, I enjoy painting or I enjoy cycling.
So I can say, I enjoy listening to music in the evening.
Perfect. Your evenings sound very calm.
They are. What do you enjoy doing at home?
I enjoy baking.
Really? That's interesting. I'm not very good at baking.
It's fun. I enjoy making bread and simple desserts.
That sounds delicious. I enjoy eating desserts.
Everyone enjoys different things. That's completely normal.
What do you like to bake the most?
I enjoy making banana bread. It's easy and tasty.
That sounds wonderful. Maybe you can share the recipe someday.
I'd like that. Do you enjoy listening to music?
Oh, yes, I really like music. It's a big part of my day.
Yes, liking music a lot means you can say you love it.
Exactly. I love listening to calm music when I work.
I love music too. I love listening to classical music.
You can say, I love music, or I love listening to music.
I love animals. I love warm weather. I love long weekends.
I love weekends too.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to explore new cafes or relax at home.
You can say, I like to relax. What kind of activities do you enjoy?
I enjoy quiet activities like reading or watching documentaries.
I enjoy those too, but I also like travel shows.
Travel shows are inspiring. You can say, I like documentaries or I love travel shows.
Do you enjoy physical activities?
Yes, I like to swim. It feels very refreshing.
That's great. Swimming is healthy.
I'm not an expert, but I enjoy swimming.
Enjoying it is what matters.
You can say, I like to swim or I enjoy swimming.
I don't swim very often, but I enjoy walking.
Do you prefer indoor activities or outdoor activities?
To make a negative sentence, we add don't. I don't like loud places.
Yes, I like calm places. I don't like noise.
We've talked about art, biking, baking, music, and relaxing.
What about spending time with people?
I love spending time with my close friends.
You can say, I love spending time with friends.
On weekends, I like to call my family and talk with them.
I like meeting friends for tea.
We often use these phrases I like to, I enjoy, I love, and I don't like.
You can say, I like to walk or I like walking. Both are correct.
Do you enjoy nature?
I love nature. I enjoy being near the ocean.
I enjoy nature too, even though I live in the city.
I enjoy watching sunsets. They are beautiful.
Do you like traveling?
I love traveling. Learning about new cultures is exciting.
I like visiting quiet towns.
I enjoy visiting museums in big cities.
You can say, I like to travel, and then add details.
I would love to visit Greece someday.
I would love to visit Canada.
We can also talk about the future. I would love to learn photography.
I would love to learn another language.
In the evenings, I like to unwind and listen to soft music.
I enjoy watching a short show before sleeping.
I like listening to podcasts.
I've heard this podcast is very helpful.
I don't really like shopping for clothes, but I enjoy shopping for gifts.
I enjoy shopping for fresh food.
Let's practice with a name. Sam likes to wake up early.
Sam enjoys drinking green tea.
Sam doesn't like rushing in the morning.
Sam enjoys cooking dinner but doesn't like cleaning up.
I love spring. I like mild weather.
I love autumn. I enjoy cool air and colors.
I like sunny days. I don't like storms.
Some people enjoy rainy days.
Let's summarize the key phrases.
I like, I enjoy, I love, I don't like.
I would love to is great for hopes and plans.
You can use these phrases in daily conversations.
Ask someone, what do you like to do?
It's a simple way to connect with others.
Try using these sentences this week.
Thank you for listening today.
Please remember to subscribe and share.
Leave a comment and tell us what you like to do. Thank you again. We'll talk again soon. Keep practicing.